Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make vegan wrap. So that's a good news for my vegetarian friends. So it is a very simple recipe. It takes like maybe 10 minutes. And that's about it. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need few peppers. We need eggplant, but also I always use zucchini. Today I don't have, that's okay, but be sure to add zucchini, which is really amazing and tasty. Also, we need some hummus, spring mix salad, and we need some tortilla. Okay, so we're just gonna put this aside and we're just gonna start by chopping the peppers. These are pre-washed, so just clean them inside and get rid of the seeds. And you can slice them really thin. We're going to bake these. So the same way, we're just gonna slice the eggplant, and as well we're going to bake this. Alright guys, so everything is ready and my spices are here. I'm just gonna add some black pepper, that's onion powder, garlic powder, Italian spices, some salt, and I'm just gonna use some virgin olive oil. We're just gonna add everything together. Alright, so we have our baking tray. We're just gonna add some olive oil, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some Italian spices, some pepper, black pepper, some salty paste, and then we mix everything. Make sure your oven is preheated at 350 and we're gonna bake these about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So this is ready to bake. Our oven is preheated at 350. We're going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Perfect, so our baked veggies are ready and I have my hummus right here and I have my wrap. So all you do is just spread some hummus. Yum, these smell so good. You can add anything you like to bake. Usually I do add zucchini, which is really tasty, but these are good as well. Beautiful. One is ready. I'm just gonna make a second one. Also, you can add some fresh tomatoes, which is really good. Very beautiful and healthy. You can eat them as it is, or you can just toast them. So basically we're just like toasting them, warming them up. You don't need oil or anything else. Just keep them there for maybe like a minute or two and we're good to go. I tried to toast the opposite side, so that's gonna help us to keep it closed so it's not gonna be messy. So this recipe is for my vegetarian friends. I hope you guys try this recipe out. It's super delicious, and at the same time it is simple to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next one, bye bye.